Meet the living nightmare of the ocean, the lamprey. It has no jaws, no scales, and no bones, only a circular mouth filled with rows of razor-sharp teeth. It's a prehistoric vampire that's been terrorizing the waters for 360 million years. Once it latches onto a fish, it uses its jagged tongue to rasp through the flesh and drink its victim's blood. Most fish don't survive the encounter. Imagine feeling this suction on your skin. Subscribe to Quick Facts Lab if you're brave enough to dive deeper.